बस ऐ पड़ेगा तेरा अपना शेड ना तेरा अरे नु टिल्ट ना कर हाँ बस Good morning students. I am going to show you the project file today so that you can be in a position to make your file properly. See, this is your title cover bache, mentioning the name of the school on the top. Your subject accountancy submitted by your name will be there, submitted to your teacher's name will be there. Then there will be a first page mentioning the preface. It is mentioned in the book only you are having. Acknowledgement, it will be the next. I'll show it slowly so that you can see it once properly. This is your index bache, as we are having only one project, specific project. So you will just have the heading on the top index, specific project, and you will just mention the various topics covered in that, showing the page number also. You know that 2 to 3 pages we are required for the introduction of the subject, that is accountancy. It is again required in the project in +2 also. Here it is introduction. You will just have 2 to 3 pages. It may be any topic, meaning its features. Features are continued. That's all. 2 to 3 pages, not more than that. Then we will have specific project. You have only one project, so you will just cover it on the one page, writing specific project. It is a live project, students. You have to go for the company's website where you get the data from there, and you will just show it name of the project, analysis of cash flow statement of Hero Motor Corporation with reference to. So as you have not yet done this topic, cash flow statement, but we are supposed to give it in advance, so that way say it seriously. Opening and cash equivalents, operating, investing and financing. There are 3 activities in this statement. Closing, cash and cash equivalents. Then you will just show the various objectives, like it is mentioned, to express possible reasons for change in cash flow from different activities along with cash and cash equivalents for years. There are 2 choices with you. Either you go for intra-firm comparison bache, or it may be inter-firm comparison. Inter-firm comparison is a comparison of 2 different companies. And intra-firm comparison, you know, it is a comparison of different years of the same company. It is up to you. You have to choose whether you go for intra-firm or inter-firm. Then you can see period of study, it is required, financial year ending so and so, 2 years information we have. Analytical tools used. We are using one tool, cash flow statement. Some accounting ratios. Source material from where we get the data. This is official website of Hero Moto Corporation. So that way we can get the different companies website opening and get the data from there. You can see some picture work is there. If it is available on the net, you may have that. Pasting over here, you write the little bit about the companies, about Hero Motor Corporation. It will be available on the net only. So there is a picture work again, some vision of the company, mission, what they have, what strategy they are using it, all that. It should be presentable but not taking too much time. Core values, integrity, humility, teamwork, speed, respect, that way you can cover of your own. Now this is the balance sheet which you will get from the internet, that is on the company's website. Right, better? If you get for intra-firm comparison, you definitely have for 3 years information. 3 years information. If it is inter-firm, you need 2 companies record. Right, beta? So that will be available on the net, on the company's website. This is the printed. You may just go with the handwritten also. It is up to you only. This all will be available on the company's website. Right, beta? I prefer you people to just write handwritten. Now, on the basis of the data given, we just make this table. This is the table showing the opening cash and cash equivalents, operating activities, investing activities, financing activities, closing cash and cash equivalent. These are 5 results. Right, beta? So the student has taken intra-firm comparison. You can see 2016, 17, 18. 3 years information is available. And we have record of all the various activities in a tabular form. This tabular form activity, it is presented by a graphical presentation. Okay, fine. Clear to all of you? Just see once. Yes. Now, just keep it in mind whenever you go for the graphical presentation, the thing is very important that x-axis, y-axis should be there. There should be the name of the activities and the values you have taken. The graph should be complete as you people have learned in the junior classes too. Now, this is interpretation. This is very important. Every project needs interpretation. Cash flow from operating activities, as I have told you people, there are mainly 3 activities: operating, investing and financing. So student has explained on the basis of the data he has taken about the operating activity result of the company for 3 years. Then cash flow from investing activity, this is the second activity he has taken about that. Then there is cash flow from financing activity he has taken. Opening and closing cash and cash equivalents. Right, beta? And lastly, you will just have the certificate. Clear? So before the certificate, you must go with one page, that is bibliography. Bibliography is showing the source of material you have taken. So last it will be a certificate. It should be very much clear, handwritten. Certificate should be there, well presented and covering the various number of pages. Mention the page number 2. And this is your project. I feel it should be completed by you people after giving your terminal exam. We will have 1 week after completing the exam. So your file will be submitted with me at the end of the September and I am going to check it by month of October. Is it clear to all of you? So thank you very much. Enjoy the file. Just see once and twice so as to clear the things.